Hello friends, today we are going to draw the bee. Are you ready to draw a bee?
Yes.
Awesome. Alright, so what we are going to do now, let's draw a circle, big circle for the head of the bee.
A big circle?
Yeah, so let's
But I thought you said a little circle.
Big circle for the head, I didn't say little. Then put another little circle for the eye, one of the eyes. And another one for the other eyes.
A little space.
Awesome. Alright, and also let's give it a smiley mouth.
Oh, why did we not do a little
alright.
again? The other smiley mouth and the other smiley mouth.
It's okay. So let's give it the body like this.
It looks like a dog.
Okay.
It looks like a pig.
It's not a pig. Okay.
Put it back.
Awesome. So let's also give it the wings. Put one of the wings.
It looks like a turtle too.
Okay. And another one.
I don't know how to draw a wing.
Yeah, that's wings. Okay, so you know the bee has yellow color as well as black.
We need stripes.
Okay, yeah, stripes. Awesome. So let's
We don't need only black.
So let's
and
give it
yellow.
a stripe. Let's cut to first black. Yeah. Yeah. How many stripes do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's 3. This is 1. You have 2. Then maybe you put another line here. Just one line. Awesome. That's fine. Okay. So that's the bee. Let's give it. Let's put the one of the hands here.
But we don't need it.
Give it the hand.
We don't need it to be bad. I'm just gonna do it.
Go ahead. Are you done? Then another one here.
Only 2. Only
Another
3.
one by the side here. And another one here. So 4. That's awesome. They make honey. Bees produce honey in their
What
honeycomb.
about flowers?
Yeah, they get their food from flowers. So let's draw a
I
flower here.
know how to draw a flower
Let's
before.
draw a sunflower here. A big one. Okay, for the bee, a big one. So go like this.
But like that?
Yeah, like this, round the bee. Go around the bee like this. Okay, until you come here. Awesome. You didn't cover it. Get it to here. Curve it. Continue to curve. Yeah, until you get there. Awesome.
Well,
Alright.
he's like sleeping.
Yeah, he's not sleeping.
But
Yeah.
why are you doing so tiny?
Yeah, it's at the middle. Okay, that's
Why are
fine.
you doing like that?
Yeah, the bee is eating from.
You didn't.
Yeah, it's eating from the sunflower. Okay, so let's go ahead.
Can we
Let's-
color?
Let's go ahead and make the base of the flower here like this. Watch what I'm doing. Okay, and then add a little bit of the stem. Draw 2 lines like this from here. Awesome.
Do I
Okay.
have to close it?
It's okay. Just make a leaf. Draw a line and then make from a leaf here, like this. A leaf and another one
I
here.
don't think it's a leaf.
Make a leaf. You know how to make a leaf and do it well.
I have to do
Now draw a little line there and then make a leaf. Awesome. And then you need to draw a tiny line, a thin line in between.
You don't know how to.
A thin line in between.
Dad, you don't know how to draw anything. The sentence.
Yeah. Okay, then make 2 lines, few lines in between. Not too much,
Don't need
just few.
only 2.
Yeah. Make one higher, come down a bit and make at the base. Yeah, it's okay. The same way here. Do add a line, it's more dash here. It's okay. And here, and one here.
With
Okay, that's
Daddy,
fine.
do you know how to
Awesome.
draw a Galileo?
No. Let's watch and see. Let's join these lines
But
here.
why do we have to join that? I thought we're
Yeah,
not going
it's
to
a
join
flower. Watch and see what Daddy have done. Just this line, you get it to touch the middle one.
Eat each of them.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah,
Of them.
yeah, each of them.
I'm still
Yeah.
doing it. Are you waiting?
Yeah, that place is okay. It's fine. It's touched. That's okay. That's fine.
I'm still doing it.
Okay, go ahead if you have not done, but I'm done. So awesome. This is fine. The bee is on the flower taking nectars. Nectars is the water or rather the nutrients they are taken from the flower. Nectars. Okay, so are you ready? Oh, some I don't know what you're saying. Are you ready so that we can color? So the sunflower, we are using yellow. Okay. Yeah, we use yellow for the petals. This area. Are you seeing the area we are going to color here? We are going to color this area yellow.
But why is it carefully?
Yeah, we'll color it carefully. Then this center, we give it a different color. Then we color the leaf separately. So just color the petals alone.
Just like dagger it.
No, not anyhow. Just do it well. No white spacing.
No white space.
Yeah, no white space.
Do you see any white space on mine?
Okay, keep going. You have a lot to color. You need to color and go around.
Papa, you see me the car.
Keep going.
Is Daddy a baby?
I don't know what you're saying. Oh, this is yellow. Yellow is one of your colors, favorite colors. Is that correct?
Yes. And
Awesome.
purple and pink.
Purple and pink. I know.
Because boys like better colors.
Boys like brighter colors. Girls that like brighter colors.
Yeah, and boys like better colors.
Oh, we like better colors. Yeah. I think guys like matured colors.
Yeah, but girls like beautiful colors.
Yeah, girls
I
like beautiful,
pink
bright.
and purple and yellow.
Yeah, they love it.
Yeah, but boys like better colors than girls.
Yeah, but what do you mean by better colors? All the colors are nice. It all depends on.
But boys don't like pink.
Yeah, we don't like pink. It doesn't make pink not to be a better color. Pink is still a good color, like any other one.
But which color do you like?
Me, I like a lot of colors, but one of my favorites is brown. I like brown.
But I don't like brown. Yeah.
Yeah, I know you don't like. I like brown. I like blue.
Well, boys like better colors than girls.
Yeah, I like colors. But I don't know if you can call it better.
Look at that.
Easy. You are coloring inside. Summer. I said this is outside where you color. Inside here, we are going to give it another color. It's the middle of the flower. Oh, but it's okay. Just keep coloring only here. Leave here. It's okay. You can still color on top. It's still fine. Just keep going.
Is it okay if I color the whole?
Yeah, just color the petals, the outside.
I think the whole is yellow too.
No, the middle is no yellow. The middle is going to be brown. The sunflower has.
I see some bees with yellow on the flowers.
It's okay.
Now the whole flower is colored.
Yeah, the whole flower is colored.
The flower is looking
It's
bad with only.
It's alright. So let's color the middle with brown. Are you okay?
Still color mine.
Don't color the feather. These are the feathers or the wings of the bee. Oh, we did not add the antenna of the bee. Can you do that? The bee should have an antenna.
Oh, the bee.
Yeah, the bee.
Daddy's a baby, you know it.
Okay, so you see what I did? I added 2 antennas on the head of the bee.
Daddy's
So
a
do that.
baby.
Yeah.
Daddy's a baby. Daddy's a baby.
And then do the other one. Awesome. Alright.
Daddy's a
So
baby. Daddy's a baby.
Let's use brown. It's fine.
Yes, use mine. Mommy's baby.
Let's use brown.
Daddy's a baby. Mommy's a baby.
Oh, if we're all babies, what are you?
I'm the mommy.
Oh, you're the mommy.
And you guys are babies.
Oh, Sam, that's funny. Okay, that's the middle. This whole area, you have to paint color here because it's supposed to be.
Oh no, I colored the yellow.
Yeah, color the yellow. So all these places that are brown.
Look, the brown will yuck.
Yeah, the brown will be big, but it's okay. Let's go ahead.
Yucky brown, yucky boy.
Brown is not yucky. Brown is a good color as well.
But there's no like brown.
Yeah, I know girls don't like brown. They like
Pink and purple and yellow.
yeah, move on fast. I'm done with my. Keep going. Move on fast. Keep going. I just want to cover all my white spaces.
And then you're gonna wait for me?
I'm waiting for you. That's what I'm doing. So keep going fast. Don't delay, please. Don't cover.
What is this?
Don't cover the. Is the paper that is going off? You are rubbing it too hard. Don't rub it too hard. Keep going. Don't rub it too hard.
Rubbing it.
Yeah, don't rub the paper too hard.
I'm just coloring it.
Yeah, just keep coloring.
But I'm not rubbing it. I'm just coloring.
Yeah, I mean, don't add too much pressure on the paper to make it to be coming off.
Like
So, are you done? See
when
this,
you
please?
color-
See here? You're not
when
done?
you color too much.
Yeah, when you press it down too much on the paper, you are putting more pressure. It will make some of the paper to begin to come off. So you don't do that. Just light touch is fine.
Are you coloring your head?
Yeah, funny. Are you done? Awesome. See here? You're not done here.
But I thought I'm not gonna.
You've not done here. This portion is part of your circle. Okay.
And everywhere. That.
All right. Awesome. Let's get our orange and
Let's get our
our
pineapple.
black. So can you give this stripe
Let's
to the
get our
stripe?
pineapple.
We don't have pineapple here. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, Mom.
You see the stripe? Which stripe are you coloring? The
This
first
stripe.
one? Yeah, the first one.
Black and black.
Just after that, you move.
Yellow. Move to yellow.
Once you are done, you leave this space. You go to this one.
Leave this space.
See what that they have done. After you leave this space, you go to this one. This one. After you leave this one. Oh,
Only
be
three.
fast. I'm already done,
Like,
and I'm using the orange.
what? We need yellow, not orange.
We've used yellow here already. We use
we need
orange, so the
orange.
color.
You can use yellow too.
Yeah, but we need to make it contrast so it will come out well.
Contrast is
Yeah.
contrast.
So we have to
We
use.
don't know contrast because everybody don't know contrast.
So get your
Daddy
orange.
don't know contrast. And
Alright.
Mommy don't know contrast. And
And
Daddy
when you
don't
do
know
yourself,
contrast.
just go ahead with the face of the bee.
You're gonna be done. Daddy, you always be done sometimes, but I'll be done sometimes too.
Yes, you'll be done. Just get going.
I want me to win. I can't color the eyes.
You have a lot of white spaces. Just calm down and do that. Don't be in a hurry.
Because I want to win.
Oh, it's not about winning. Okay.
I'm all done.
Okay. So do you want us to give the wings a different color? Or you want us to color it black? Want us to use any other color? Which color?
Didn't I use purple?
Want us to use purple? Okay, let's use purple for it.
Okay.
Let's use
But we
purple.
need white.
It's okay, let's
Wings
use
are
purple.
white. But we have
It's
to
not
color
really
the
white.
whole tin.
It's not really white, but you always have a choice. You can use any color.
Daddy, let's start doing and making a straight line.
You're wasting time. I'm almost done. I've soon begun.
You're doing your wing. I'm doing my wing. You're coloring the whole team.
Yeah.
You're already done.
Yeah, I'm done. Awesome.
Oh, I wanted to be done. Then Daddy, huh?
Okay, you're done. All right, so let's get our green.
Daddy's your name? A better name?
Yeah. Get your green.
Is your
Let's.
name Timber Summer?
No, you are Chambasama.
No, you are Timber Summer, not me.
You are
I'm
Chambasama.
Daddy.
Oh, Sam, you want to be daddy, and then I'll be you?
Yeah.
That's funny.
And then I'm gonna say you have to speak English.
Some are so funny. All right, so and also color here as well. This length. When you are done, we use the other green to color the leaf.
Daddy's gonna lose when he colors the green again.
So once you're done, you color the leaf with the other color.
I'm coloring it green. Quick! Daddy, I'm going quick.
Yeah, it's okay. Just do it well. That's fine.
I'm going quick.
Easy. Awesome. Are you enjoying the drawing?
Yeah.
And the coloring?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm coloring well.
Yeah, you color well. I'm impressed by your coloring and your painting. And also your drawing. Yeah, good. Easy, so that you don't paint color off the image or your drawing.
I'm not done.
It's okay. I can see lots of white spaces. Just go ahead. Okay? Go ahead and do it well. Let's say it look nice. Everybody's a winner.
But I thought I'm gonna win only.
It's okay.
I'm done.
Alright, that's fine.
It's Boo Baba Daddy.
So do we use a pink and add it?
A pink
the
for
eye.
what?
Yeah, make the eye pink. Yeah.
But why? But eyes don't need pink.
Yeah, but we just add a pink.
The eyes don't need pink.
Yeah.
Do.
This is fine.
Wait for me to do mine and then we
It's
can
okay.
say it.
It's okay. This is so fine. Wow, someone have drawn a bee on a sunflower. Wow, the bee is collecting food.
I'm eating your head.
Yeah, it's eating the food
He's
from the
eating
flower.
your head.
Not my head.
Yes,
All right.
he is.
You're so funny. All right. Thanks, friends. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give us thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
But see you next time and subscribe to our videos. Bye bye.
All right. See you and bye.